welcome. Here we are, another question. Just give it a minute or two to make sure everything is working before we begin. So this question is Camelcase matching. Let's begin. So this question is Camelcase matching. Okay, the audio is working. We pop out the chat. Take a deep breath. Yeah, here we go. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. So I'll refresh this one while this is going. So okay, Camelcase matching. Given an array of strings queries and a string pattern, return a Boolean array answer where answer of I is true if queries of I matches pattern and false otherwise. A query word queries of I matches pattern. If you can insert lowercase English letters pattern so that it equals the query, you may insert each character at any position. You may not insert any characters. Example 1, queries, foobar test, football, frame buffer, force feedback, pattern FB. True, false, true, true, false. Foobar can be generated like this. F, U, B, bar. Football can be generated like this. F, to B, all. Frame buffer can be generated like this. F, rame, B, buffer. So, okay. So I have queries, and I have a pattern, and I have a Boolean array. If queries of I matches the pattern and false otherwise. If you can insert lowercase English letters pattern so that it equals the query, you may insert each character at any position. You may not insert any characters. Okay, so you could use a regular expression to do this. Basically just transform this pattern to a regular expression pattern. Could be any number of characters between these. This also could be understood as a just a substring, a subsequence check. I think this is very straightforward. Could do this in time linear of the queries and the pattern. Yeah, and there's not that many queries or patterns. Each one is 100 characters, and there's only 100 queries. So it's only 10,000 by 100 here, just like a million overall. It's really only like 10,000 overall because we do 100 for each query, but it's basically 100 and 100 each time. So yeah, it's just a very straightforward. It's basically a substring check. So we just say for each query. We're gonna say say W for the word. I'm gonna say int I is 0. And I'm gonna say result. Query size. We're going to say I plus equals pattern of I equals ch. That's basically it, I think. Something like this, I didn't really explain it. No, okay. Yeah, true every time, okay. So the idea is that in the query, for each query, oh, yeah. I'm going to go through each character in that query, or that word, and then I'm going to say, okay, if this character matches pattern of I, then I'm going to increment I, and then I'm going to keep going character by character until I see the next match, and I'm not going to modify I at each point if it doesn't match. And yeah, basically just keep doing that until I get all the way through the pattern here. We just have to have I is less than pattern.size, by the way. So the second one I got true. Oh, okay. Oh, this is between, oh, excuse me. You can only insert lowercase letters. I missed that. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. I missed that. Totally misunderstood that. Going a little bit quick. So I think if it's a capital, I'm trying to figure out if it's a capital letter, whether or not I should just break right then and there. Okay. I want to say if it doesn't match, and pattern of I, well, let's just do it this way. If I is less than, no, this isn't correct either, actually. Okay. Okay, it's not so obvious what to do. If we've matched all the characters, we can still insert lowercase letters afterwards. Okay. So uppercase is when this 32-bit is 0. Yeah. So we'll just and to figure out, right? That's fine. So if I is greater than or equal to pattern size, then uppercase, we can continue. No problem. Otherwise, we have a match. Check these values. I is greater than or equal to pattern dot size, and not uppercase. Then we're going to break. Yeah, this gets a little confusing. Trying to maybe I could try to optimize this afterwards. I'm trying to optimize it like prematurely, I think. It's taking me a little bit of time. time to think it through. So if I is less than pattern.size, then we can check the match. And I mean, this is fine. If the character I'm looking at is uppercase, actually, then I did it the wrong way. Yeah, oh, that's confusing. If the character I'm looking at is not uppercase, then it's not a problem. If it is uppercase, then we have an issue. Otherwise, we just want to match all the characters through the pattern, which is just going to be I plus equals this match. Which could be, modified to look like this. I think this covers everything. Yeah, it's a little more involved. We're still wrong. Okay. Force feedback. Oh no. Okay. No. It has to match after that. Right. So now I can just check. I don't need to check this part. Well, yeah. Both of these will skip the bottom one here. Basically, it'll be if uppercase and not match, then we break. Yeah, which is a little more complicated why it happens that way. The logic for this is kind of involved, quite frankly. Let's see. Something like this. Let's see what I get. I don't think this logic is totally correct, though. I get the feeling that I'm missing something important. And then also, deep breath here. I probably missed something important, quite frankly. I'm gonna go for it. There's a good chance I missed something. It's kind of complicated. I didn't really think it all the way through. Oh, nope, got it. There we go. Hey, 100%. Hail victory. Sweet, okay. So yeah, I'll submit it 5 more times. Take a deep breath, and then go to the next question. All right, pretty good that it was still relatively fast, even though it had a lot of if statements in there. 3 more submissions, and what I'll do is I'll stop the stream, restart the stream with another question. So that was reasonable. I want to go till like 10 o'clock my time. It's like almost 8:30 my time now. So yeah, okay. Got a few submissions. All right, very good. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like the stream, give it a like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll restart the stream on another question. I'll do that now.